Hello, today we are going to help Kenny. Let's see what Kenny needs. Directions. Kenny needs our help. She wants to create a table of contents. She just wants to see the text which has the heading 2 format in the table. We are not going to teach her how to do it, but we are going to create a macro for her. The name of the macro has to be table of contents. Now, let's get started. First, we have to move to the place we want to insert the table. Here, for example. Now, let's click View tab and in the group Macros, let's click Macros. Now, let's click Record Macros. Here, we have a space in order to write the name of the macro. Let's write table of contents with capital T and without spaces between words. Let's store the macro in the Kenny's document only and click OK. Now we're just recording the macro. For inserting the table, let's click References. Now let's click Table of Contents in the group Table of Contents. Now let's click Insert Table of Contents. Here we have a print preview of the table, which has heading 1 and heading 2. We just want heading 2, so let's click Options. Now in heading 1, let's erase the number 1. And now in heading 2, let's leave the number 2. And let's press OK. Now we have the print preview with heading 2 only, exactly what we want. Now let's click OK. We have just inserted our table. In order to stop the macro, let's click on the View tab and in the group Macros, let's click Macros and stop recording. We have just finished our macro. Now let's see if our macro works. I'm going to erase the table and now in Macros group I'm going to click View Macros. This is the list of the macros we have created. We just have table of contents, so I'm going to click Run in order to see the macro working. We have just inserted the table, so our macro works. We have just helped Kenny. Thank you for watching.